Okay, I know my living room doesn't look much different, but I'm going to show you some of the fall decorations that I got from the Dollar Tree and how I put them in my living room to put with my fall decorations. Now, my other fall decorations, I still have not gotten out yet because it is like 88 degrees still here in Georgia. It's so hot. I'm just not in the mood for fall yet, even though it is my favorite season. But I wanted to show you my fall stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. And here we go. I got these two scarecrows at the Dollar Tree for $1 each. And then the harvest sign I made. The wooden plaque I got at Goodwill, but everything else that I used on it is from the Dollar Tree. The leaves, the harvest sign, and the pumpkins. And this blanket is my inspiration for the colors that I'm using this year. I love that bluish gray color, kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a bluish greenish gray, and then the copper leaves. And I got it at Ross's, and I got I've had this cute little scarecrow that sits on the chair for years. I've had it for years. It's missing buttons, but I still bring her out every year. All right, so here are two of the other things that I got at Dollar Tree. This cute little owl and a golden pumpkin. And I love owls, so whenever I can put it in my decor, I am all for it. And I like the shimmer of it next to the natural of the owl. So I think it gives good contrast. Now, over here is a different color type, a little bit different owl, and another golden, I think that's more of an acorn than a pumpkin, but that is on the other side. And then over here, I've got these two adorable, let's see if I can get focused in here. I got these two adorable bobbing head scarecrows at the Dollar Tree for $1 each. So I tried to get a girl and a boy. And I got this cute little pumpkin too, also at the Dollar Tree. And I made a mistake of putting it so low on the table because one of the grandkids must have got hungry and they tried to bite it. So I had to teach them that's not food. But one of them was hungry. Over here by the door, I have this little scarecrow from the Dollar Tree. It has a little stick, so you can either put it outside in the yard or in a flower pot. And I thought she was real cute, so I stuck her right in this little flower arrangement right here by the front door, so she can say hi to everybody when they come walking in. And this is a pumpkin, a glass pumpkin tray, I guess you would call it. I'm putting it on my coffee table, if you can see it. And it came with a set of 3, so there are 2 other smaller ones that are different colors. And I just put this one on my coffee table, and it has this, I call it large potpourri. It's fragranced, it smells real good. And I like the bright orange. I think it brightens it up in here a lot. And then these are just the orange pumpkins. They were $1. And I painted them the same color green as the sign that I made. And I just stuck them up there because my bookshelf is awful dark and I wanted to give it some color. And then down here, this is not from the Dollar Tree, but these are scarecrows that I have had for years. So I brought them out too. But this is pretty much everything in my living room and my decor for fall. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and so that you can come back and visit and see what else that I brought and got and am doing. And I will see you later. Bye.